my darling, cool it down.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline, back again with another video. So in today's video we're going to be installing this pre-highlighted wig from Nadula hair company. It was dyed by them. All the information will be down in the description box. I really love this wig. It was giving me much fall vibes, and it is a body wave wig, but I wanted to straighten the wig out first because I don't know, I just feel like I wanted to see this color but in straight. But for sure we'll be curling the hair later. But back to the install. So as you saw in the first clip, I went ahead and tinted my lace. This time I used a powdered foundation, and honestly powder or wet foundation works just as fine. Went ahead and tinted that, put the wig on, and to glue down I'm using my Ebon lace glue. Love this stuff. Got to be, she's gone, we don't know her. This stuff is fast drying and I feel like it lasts a lot longer and it's less messy in my opinion. So I'm going ahead and just spraying that onto the lace, and I'm using my blow dryer on a cool setting to help push all of that in. And I'm using a rat tail comb to just push the lace into the glue. And of course, I'm going in with my cuticle scissors or my eyebrow razor to help me get a nice jagged cut onto that lace. Because like I always say, cutting straight across is a no-no. You're going to just have a helmet head type of look. So make sure you're cutting your lace in a jagged motion. That's why using an eyebrow razor kind of helps you get that jagged line. Once I've done that on one section, I'm going ahead and just pulling out the little side tab hair. That kind of helps me let the lace lay down more, because sometimes the sides do stick up the most. So I like to pull down the hair on that side to help make sure I'm really pulling down the lace. And I just go ahead and repeat this step all around the hair.
I got the money with your trouble. Let the DJ spin them wine clean. Every time we reach us, baby, send her piping. And she knows say me not ready for no wifey. But she tell me say she really love me past me. She tell me say the thing is so mine. She back it up and tell me, baby, make you grab tight. Say that tell me say you so mine. She back it up and tell me, baby, make you hold tight. And I go love it till it's alright. As I say, I see my cup and wine. So baby, I me passing palm wine. It can be I me passing palm wine. Yeah.
Once I have tied down my lace to let it dry a little bit before I attempt swooping the baby hairs, I'm just going in with my hot comb to start pressing the hairline. I will be pressing the hair out more later, but just, you know, get me started so I can have a nice part to work with and see what I'm going for. Now we're going to do our baby hairs, and I'm using my Old Faithful Eco Styler. At first I did curl the hair to maybe see if I wanted to do really like dramatic swoops, but honestly there was no need to curl the hair. I could have got the same baby hairs without curling it, but you know, I changed my mind. But here I am just going in and swooping my baby hairs. You know, I feel like I'm terrible at explaining how I do my baby hairs. I do have a detailed tutorial that you also check out if you want a more detailed explanation of how I do them. But for now, just enjoy the clip of me swooping my baby hairs.
Stay
Once I have finally achieved the look I was going for, I went ahead and, you know, laid that lace down to let everything, you know, just finish drying. And now it's time to straighten out the hair. So first I'm putting some heat protectant in the hair. I also went ahead and put serum that's not shown, but I'll link it down below. And I'm using this pink hairspray. It's like a hairspray that gives the hair hold and shine, and it's a little bit protectant as well. I really like this. It smells really nice, and I feel like it just kind of helps my styles last longer. If I'm doing a straight, curly, whatever, I use this all the time. Bomb. So I'll link that below as well. So just enjoy me straightening my hair. I went ahead and added some black eyeliner over the parts that were probably over plucked or over bleached. And I went in with some concealer on the part to let it pop. But that is all for this video. It was a very straightforward, simple install, thank goodness, because sometimes these wigs really be trying me, y'all. But I really like this look. I definitely want to curl the hair to see how it curls, but it straightens really nicely. It's very beautiful. The color is super fall. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you know where to find me down in the comment section or Instagram, all that good stuff. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.